Do you wash your hands after no? Do you wash your hands before preparing food or eat?
Yes, I always wash my hands.
Goodbye, Salma.
Do you wash your hands after sneezing, blowing your nose?
No, I never wash my hands after anything, blowing or blowing my nose.
Coughing or blowing your nose?
Yes, usually after sneeze, coughing, blowing your nose.
Your nose? No, my nose. I usually, repeat please.
I usually after sneeze, coughing,
After playing with a fish.
Before food eating?
Yes, I always wash my hands before
What's your name? I want to ask you some questions. Do you wash your hands after using the bathroom?
Yes. Always wash my hands.
Yes, I always.
Do you wash your hands?
Yes,
I sometimes wash my hands after playing with a pet.
Can you repeat this?
And yes, I sometimes wash my hands after playing or with a pet.
My hands preparing before preparing food or eating. Do you wash your hands after playing or after playing soccer? Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Ariana and this is my class survey project. If you want to make a class survey, you have to follow these 3 steps. First step, do a class survey asking the students for information or opinions. Example, when do you wash your hands? Do you wash your hands after using the bathroom? Second step, do a tally chart. Count and write the same opinions or information from your class. Write each answer on groups of 5. Tally marks. The 5 tally marks across the 4. This will be easier to go. First step, do a bar graph. Draw a bar graph to show the same for information or opinion from your class. In the bar graph, draw the categories on the bottom and the student's number on the left side. Draw the columns that if you show the colors the legend. Draw the legend in the right upper side. Blue for always, red for usually, green for sometimes, and pink for never. 6 students wash their hands. 6 students always wash their hands after using the bathroom. 4 students usually wash their hands after sneezing, coughing, or blowing their nose.
Okay, thank you. Have you got any questions? Okay, Oscar.
How many students wash their hands after sneezing, coughing, or blowing their nose?
Always, usually, sometimes, or never.
Sometimes.
Three students wash their hands after sneezing, coughing, or blowing
Their nose.
their nose.
Okay, Paul, question.
How many students usually wash their hands after playing or playing with a pet?
Nine students wash their hands after playing or playing with a pet.
Last question, Gisela.
How many students never wash their hands after using the bathroom?
Three students never wash their hands after using the bathroom.
Thank you, Adriana.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Mar and this is my class survey project. If you want to make a class survey, you have to follow 3 steps. First step, do a class survey asking students about an opinions or information. Example, when do you wash your hands? Do you wash your hands after using the bathroom? Second step, do a tally chart, code and write how many students have the same opinions or information. Do a tally chart using the tally marks. The 5 tally marks across or 4. It will be easier to count. And third step, do a bar graph to show the opinions or information from your class. We write the categories on the bottom and the students' numbers on the left side. We write the columns to show how many students should every answer, and now the lesson on the right upper side. Blue for always, never for red, sometimes for green, and usually from blue. Finally, in my bar graph, you can see 6 students always wash their hands after using the bathroom. 2 students usually wash their hands after sneezing, coughing, or blowing their nose. 1 student sometimes wash their hands after touching things many people touch. 5 students never wash their hands after playing or playing with a pet. And finally, 2 students usually wash their hands before preparing food or eating. Thank you for your attention. You are any questions? How you are any questions? Have got any questions?
Okay, Paul.
How many students never wash their hands after sneezing, coughing, or blowing their noses?
7 students never wash their hands after sneezing, coughing, or blowing their nose.
Okay, Eric.
How many students never wash their hands after playing or playing with a pet?
5 students never wash their hands after sneezing, coughing, after playing or playing with a pet.
Okay, thank you, Mar.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
welcome.